Hi, I'm Paul from WFP Fire Security Electrical. Gent systems are renowned for their engineering, quality and integration. They're often found in complex sites like hospitals, universities and large office buildings. We know a great deal about Gent systems and can advise on new installations or professional maintenance of an existing one. The challenge with Gent systems is that not every contractor has access to the correct software and spares. We'll guide you through the support you need to make sure you're never left with an unsupported system. Our installations come with a 5-year warranty and all maintenance is carried out by qualified engineers working to BS 5839 Part 1 standards. If you've got a Gent system that needs expert care or you're frustrated with the system, talk to the team on 01277 622 932 or fill out the form on this page.